Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer and on the display it's giving you an E58 error and you're trying to figure out first of all, what is this error, and second of all, is there anything that I can do to remove this error? So first of all, what the error is that the inverter board is drawing excessive current. So the inverter board, which then sends the juice to the drive motor, is pulling too much current. And the reason that might be not happening is because it's having trouble getting that current to the drive motor. So the error is going to be something between the inverter board and the drive motor. It could be the wiring or the drive motor itself. So the first thing to check would be the wiring between the inverter board and the drive motor. Make sure nothing is disconnected, frayed, loose, anything like that, and replace and repair any wiring between the two as necessary. If all of the wiring between them looks good, then the next step in the process would be to actually replace the drive motor.